Hi guys, it's Caito Potato here, and this is my evening routine, the most realistic evening routine you'll ever see in your life. This is me leaving my office after working all day. And after working all day, this beautiful little pup gets to have a lovely run around at my local school. We have so much fun, and I love watching him burn off all his energy because he's been waiting so patiently for me to finish my work. This is literally how he walks across the road. He is in my room and feed my dog. That's something I quite enjoy doing, feeding animals. Okay, that's a little bit too much, but anyways. I also like to take a shower every night because it washes all my makeup off properly, and I'm using my favorite mask. This is me asking and begging my boyfriend for a towel. As I'm getting dressed, the love of my life waits for me at the door. Not my boyfriend, my dog, obviously. Damn, I'm so clean! And then I like to hop into my bed to unwind and play my favorite games. My favorite game at the moment is Cooking Fever. I love this game so much. This game is honestly so much fun and so addictive. Like, good addictive, not like stressful. And I just have so much fun playing it. Like, I'm always happy when I play this game. Look at all my stars. Try and beat that, okay? But yeah, I love this game. I have so many restaurants, but I can't seem to get past the Hell's Kitchen one. That one's really difficult for me. And yeah, I am so fast at this game. Watch this. Literally, this is me serving my customers. They're all desperate for some hamburgers and hot dogs and some drinks. And yeah, see that little blonde girl? She wants a burger, so I'm just whipping her up the best burger ever. Hope she comes back. And then look, they give you money, and then you can like decorate your restaurant, and it's so good. I've got a plasma TV, and one thing I love about this game is that it's so portable. You can play it on your phone. I play it literally everywhere, and that includes the toilet, outside when I need to take my dog out to do pee-pees. He comes along with me, and so does Cooking Fever. This app is free on the Apple Store and also the Android store. I love it so much, and I hope you guys enjoy this app as much as I do. Let me know down below how many restaurants you get and how many stars you have. And after playing for like, I don't know, 2 hours or 3, who's been counting? I like to lie back in bed and I edit my video for you guys and catch up on work related stuff, but first I need to pet my dog. I love my dog. Usually at this time he's really tired because usually during the day I take him for a big walk or a big run around, so hopefully he should be just chilling on my bed, having a little relax. And so that's him there. Yoshi, hello Baba. Oh, he's so beautiful. It's me editing, and Yoshi is just giving you a little kiss because he loves ya. And then this is me working out how to make my fan turn around. I always have to have a fan on me. I always overheat. And then after all my editing, I like to sit back and watch a little bit of Netflix and catch up on YouTube. And then it's time for sleeps, and I go to sleep. And that really helps me go to sleep, just doing all those things, because I've got insomnia, so yeah, really helps. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all again very soon. Stay groovy. Bye!